This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to stake on Ledger Live. Staking allows you to earn rewards by participating in the security of a blockchain network. It's a fantastic way to grow your crypto holdings passively, all while keeping your assets secure with your Ledger hardware wallet. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started today. Before you begin staking, ensure your Ledger device is ready. First, update your device firmware to the latest version for optimal security and functionality. Next, install the specific cryptocurrency application for the asset you wish to stake directly onto your Ledger. Finally, transfer your chosen crypto assets into your Ledger Live account. Now, let's initiate the staking process within Ledger Live. Open the application and navigate to the account holding the cryptocurrency you intend to stake. Look for the Earn Rewards or Stake button associated with that asset. You'll then select a validator from the available options and confirm the staking transaction using your Ledger device. Once staked, you can easily monitor your rewards within Ledger Live. Your earnings will accumulate over time, visible in your account. Remember, you can unstake your assets at any point, though some cryptocurrencies have an unbonding period, typically a few days. Consider reinvesting your rewards to compound your earnings for greater growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.